driving on the cliff top. We see the heart in you. We love our family. So why don't we do this every night?
Finally! We're gonna go get some wheels for the Civic. I'm pumped. I'm so excited. We're going to get some Rotiform Sixes, bruh. Pretty stoked. I think they'll look okay. They're the best wheels I could find right now. Yeah, I'm just gonna get on the road. Oh, I need a charger. Because if not, my phone dies. What is going on, guys? So we just finally got in focus. We got some new wheels for the Civic. I am happy with them. I think they're gonna grow on me a little bit more. They look sweet. They just look different on this car. So I'm curious on how I like them. I don't know, something about them. I just can't put my finger on. They look good and they fit the car. I feel like it's a good fit for this style of car because it's kind of a newer retro-ish style wheel. Simple. The only thing I'm a little bummed out is we should do negatives. Negatives are, they're a little heavier than the OEM wheels. I was hoping to shave weight. I actually already said this, but they fit perfect. I mean, literally, they're like just absolutely perfect. Like they're flush. They're absolutely flush with the fender, and in the front, I mean, we're literally perfectly flush. So super, super, super excited about these. I just don't know if the silver clashes with the white. And I feel like it does. I feel like they should be black or something, or bronze. But luckily, maybe down the road we'll get them powder coated, like some bronze or something. But they look good for now, and again, they might grow on me. I'm super pumped. I'm happy we got wheels. I mean, we got this car kind of where it's at within a few weeks. I know we didn't do much with suspension, low suspension work and wheels, but I'm super, super thrilled with them. I haven't driven on them on these new wheels yet, but by goodness, I think I like them. I'm always critical when I put stuff on the car, except for like if you're doing big baller wheels, because they always look good. Let me know what you think in the comments below. We got them from a good deal, and dude that sold them to me, Emerson, was a super cool dude. We sat and like chatted for like an hour, literally. So it was really, really cool to. It's always nice when you meet really, really nice guys on the Facebook marketplace. I'm so used to the Craigslist life, but the new world. So yeah, I'm pumped, man. They do look good. They look good. I'm freaking, yeah. I don't know if it needs, I don't think it would need to settle, but saddle, saddle, saddle. Saddle, 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 saddle.
Well, they're fancy, and they have like little like color on it. So I think we should give it 100, guys, don't you think?
Overall, I think I'm happy. Or I'm trying to, oh my goodness. Or I'm trying to convince myself I'm happy. One or the other, I don't know yet. I don't know. As far as what's next, I'm believing, I think probably do like front lip and then like little side skirt jammers. I think you can get Type R side skirts to go underneath the OEM ones, and they kind of fin up. So I think we're gonna do that eventually next for the Civic. Dinner time is done, but the wheels are definitely growing on me. At first, I don't know why they didn't tickle my fancy. They didn't tickle my funny feeling. I think it's because I'm so into old wheels. Like, if you ask me what my favorite wheels are, it's always like BSKFs and like work wheels. So these are just a different style. Lena, be nice to Zank. I am happy with them. They're definitely, for sure, growing on me. And also, I don't think, I'll double check, but I feel like, yeah, I don't know. I feel like the stock wheels, I guess, had taller wheels, taller tires. So in theory, there was less wheel gap. But I'm not really concerned, man. I'm not used to silver on white. I was kind of planning on like black, bronze, or white wheel. So, but let's see how they drive. Okay, you know how, I know this might not be the case, but you know how like some wheels need like, what are they, seats for your lug nuts? I think that's what it is. I just hope these aren't it, but we're about to find out. So let's go for a drive. Literally, first drive on these tires. Hopefully they don't fall off. Tires are so sticky that rocks are sticking to them. All right, update. The rocks were just sticking to the tires. So I had a bunch of rock build up on my tire and it was making like a weird noise. But it seems to be working really well. They seem to drive smooth. She look good. Yeah, just like a little lip, a little bit of touch on the side skirts. I think it'll bring the car all together. But I love the way the back, this whole car, I don't know, they just did such a good job with the body lines of this car. It's like one of my favorite generations of Civics. Like, they just did an excellent job overall. I remember seeing one for the first time. I was like, dude, that's what I want for my new car. So, pretty pumped. But with that, guys, I'm going to get the squad into the car. We're gonna go for a drive and yeah, enjoy the new wheels. I'm happy they don't feel heavy and my car doesn't feel sluggish. I know it's not a huge difference with the 8-pound difference, but I'm just happy that they weren't, you know, I was scared of them, you know, my car all of a sudden feeling sluggish. But yeah, the new garage is looking sweet. I cleaned up the garage and now we're extremely organized. So we got our workbench, new workbench, and everything's a lot more organized with, you know, got the tires in the rack that I made. And it was cool because so this is like the origin of my family. So like these are my grandfather and uncle's plates. So he comes from Puerto Rico to New York, from New York to Pennsylvania. Like that's my origin story of life. So I really dig this bench. You know, I'm not really good at woodworking, but I was just super happy with this outcome. I think it came out good enough for me, and it's just, you know, it's one of those things where you make it you make something special yourself, and it's just, you feel good.
No, I'm not doing it, Dad. I came out here to film with you.
All right, hit him with it.
See you in there, and we'll tell you everything of what we're gonna do. Bye. Okay, and once we get out there, boom, we're going to film more. Okay, boom. Hello guys. So we're out here, as you can see. Now we're on a mission. Actually, it's my mission.
We're going for a drive, Lena.
No, first we're looking out. Once the moon sets, we're, see the moon? Once the clouds, right, I'm gonna howl, and the moon.
Oh, here it comes. Here it comes.
Good. Okay, so next thing. Bye, guys. Comment below, and we're gonna call you back in the car. So bye. Can we go turbo on the highway?